Hello, kindergarten readers. I bet when you looked at these two plants, you were able to find some ways that they were similar and some ways that they were different. Maybe you thought about that they were the same because they were both plants and they both had leaves. Maybe you noticed that they were different because they were in different pots and that one has tall leaves and the other has short. We can do this same work in a book. Today I want to teach you that readers can compare and contrast the experiences of characters in stories. We can notice what happens to the character in each story and think about what is similar and different. This helps us to better understand the characters in the stories we read. Today we are going to do this work on two different books. First, we're going to read the book Little Lizard's New Pet. Then we're going to read the book Little Lizard's New Bike. I bet you can already tell some similarities in these two books. They both have the same main character. First, let's read Little Lizard's New Pet. This is Dad Lizard. This is Mom Lizard. This is Gary Lizard. Gary wants a pet. Look at the dog, said Gary. A dog is too big, said Dad. Look at the cat, said Gary. A cat is too big, said Mom. Look at the fish, said Gary. A fish is not too big, said Dad. Can I get a fish? Said Gary. Yes, said Mom. Yes, said Dad. Oh boy, said Gary. A little fish for me, said Gary. A little fish for you, said Dad. A fish is a good pet, said Gary. So in that story, Gary went to a pet store and got a new fish. Let's read our next book, Little Lizard's New Bike. Let's see what kind of adventure Little Lizard goes on this time. And then we are going to compare Little Lizard's new pet to Little Lizard's new bike. This is Dad Lizard. This is Mom Lizard. This is Gary Lizard. Mom, Dad, and Gary went to the store. We are going to buy you a bike, said Mom. Oh boy, said Gary. I always wanted a bike, said Gary. I like the yellow bike, said Gary. The yellow bike is too big, said Dad. I like the blue bike, said Gary. The blue bike is too small, said Dad. Do you like this red bike? Said Mom. Gary looked at the red bike. Gary sat on the red bike. The red bike is just right, said Gary. There goes Gary. Now that we have read both books, we want to compare and contrast them. We want to think about what is the same in both books and what is different. To think about what is the same in both books, we're going to want to think about what happened to the characters in both books. Well, first we can think about the setting. In both stories, Gary goes to the store. Now we want to think about what events are the same in both stories. What happened to Gary in both stories that is the same? Well, in both stories, Gary searches for just the right size item for him. We can also think about how the characters feel in the story. At the end of both stories, Gary feels very happy because he has found the perfect item for him. Did you see what we did? We thought about what was the same in both books. We thought about the setting, the events in the story, and how the character felt. Now we want to think about what is different in the two stories. I'm going to list what happened in the new pet over here and what happened in the new bike over here. First, we want to think about where did they go? Well, in the new pet, Gary and his family go to a pet store. And in the new bike, Gary and his family go to a bike store. So even though in both stories they were going to a store, the kind of store they went to was different. I can also think about the events in the story. In the new pet, the dog and the cat were too big for Gary. And in the new bike, the yellow bike was too big, but the blue bike was too small. Because the items were different sizes, that makes that different in the two stories. Do you see what we did today, readers? We read two different books. Then we thought about what is the same in both books and what is different. We thought about where the characters went, what events happened in the story, and also how the character felt in both stories. You can do this same work as you are reading today. Happy reading!